Hi there, it's Alina's Spanish, and the topic for today is animals, or to be more specific, farm animals. Los animales de la granja. ¿Te gustan los animales? A mí me encantan. We will start with the vocabulary of farm animals, and at the end of the video we are going to work with some verbs and expressions related to this topic. The farm itself is called la granja. There we can have working la granjera and el granjero. There we can have such animals as el caballo, la vaca, el cerdo, la gallina o el gallo, el burro, el pato, el ganso, el conejo, el pavo, el toro. Quite often, animal nouns can have or just masculine or just feminine gender. So to indicate whether it's masculine or feminine, you can say macho for male or hembra for female animal. For example, mi hermano tiene una tortuga macho. Now let's move to the second part and work with some verbs and expressions. For example, the first one is montar a caballo. It means to ride a horse. The next one is tener pánico a, to be horribly scared of something. For example, my personal example, tengo pánico a las vacas. And to say that I have some animals, I would use verb tener. Tengo un gato. Tengo una oveja. Tengo dos cabras. Now, the practical part is coming, and let's start with some exercises. Task will be to cross out the word that is not matching. We have caballo, cerdo, burro, and gallina. Which one should not be here? Yes, correct. It's gallina. And can you explain why? You can leave your arguments in the comment section. Let's go to the number 2. The other 4 words are pato, conejo, gallo, ganso. And yes, conejo is not matching. And the last set is vaca, oveja, cabra, toro. And it is toro. Yes. Well done. Let's go to the last practical part. Now I will show you some sentences and you will need to choose between true or false, verdadero o falso. The first one is las vacas dan leche. Cows give milk. And yes, it is verdadero. It is true. The second one, los patos tienen 4 patas. Dogs have 4 feet. And this is, of course, falso, not true. Tienen 2 patas, just 2. And the last one, los cerdos tienen alas. Pigs have wings. I don't think so, so it will be falso. Muy bien. Good job. So this video came to its ending, and thank you for being here. Hope to see you soon.